In this video, we're going to show you how to set up and use the new social media Facebook integration in your Opryus account. To get started, click on the blue wrench in the top right corner, and then choose External on the left, and then Facebook. Here you can learn a little bit about the integration, and clicking on the See How It Works link is going to take you to the video that you're watching now. So just below that, click the Link My Facebook button. If you're not logged into your Facebook account, you'll be prompted to log in. And then there's going to be a request for permission from Facebook. Just read through that and click the Allow button at the bottom. Now the integration reports that my account is currently linked to Facebook, and now let's take a look at how some of those features work. I'll go ahead and search for a contact in my account, and I'll use Jason Chu for my example. Now that I've linked up the Facebook integration, we can see this little Facebook box just to the right of the contact information. From here, we've got three tabs. We have the Facebook tab, which shows me Jason's wall and all of his posts. Then we've got the Info tab, which is going to show me Jason's information, his likes and interests, any links he's got on his Facebook profile. And we've also got the Friends and Common tab. Let's start over on the Facebook tab and take a look at his wall. By default, this shows me one post, but I can of course expand this to show me more. For each post, I've got the capability to like it, and that's going to, from within the Opryus application, like the post, and that's reported just at the top here that my post was liked. I can also comment on the post. That's going to open up the Facebook tab in a new window to the page where I can comment on Jason's post. When I'm finished doing that, I can just close this tab. If you want to actually go to the post to read something, such as this post here, I can just click on the date, and that's going to open me up in Facebook to this post so I can see everything about it, maybe other comments that have been said and things like that. When I'm finished, I just close this tab. So I can scroll down looking through all of Jason's posts, including photos and links and all that sort of thing, just from this page here. I can also write something to his wall. So I might say, "Hi Jason, we're testing the new Facebook integration in Opryus, and we're loving it." And when I hit enter, that post is going to be sent. And right away we can see that it's posted on his wall. Also from here, I can click on the Info tab now to see any other information about Jason. So this is going to pull in things like his interests, his likes, any information like his links, any About Me information. Jason's got quite a few likes, but he hasn't given us any About Him information. If we want to go to his profile page, we'll just click on this link right here, and it's going to open up that profile in a new window so we can see everything that's on Jason's profile from within the Facebook interface. Another tab that's really useful is the Friends and Common tab. And this, of course, can be used really effectively during a sales call or something like that. If you guys have people in common that you both know, that can go a really long way in building trust in a relationship. So I'll click the Common tab, and I can see people that we've got in common, and those just might be really handy to me on a sales call to be aware of. And of course, I can go ahead and click on any of these people's names to go to their profile pages in Facebook. There's one more icon that I'd like to touch base on here in the Facebook integration, and that's the icon up at the top here that's used to send them a message. Right now, Facebook is in the process of changing the way that their messaging works. So at this point, clicking on this icon takes you straight to their profile page, and then you can click the message icon from there. Now I'd like to take a look at a contact that has not been linked up with the appropriate friend in Facebook. In my Opryus account, I'll search for Alan Smith. And this person I've had intentionally link up with the wrong friend in Facebook. So when I click on the Info tab, I'll see that this is not the Alan Smith that I'm wanting to be linked up with this contact in Opryus. So I'll click on the wrong person icon, and then I can start to type. And it's automatically going to search through Facebook and show me the results. And I can see here that this, in fact, is the Alan Smith that this contact is referring to. And here it links up with the appropriate person. So on the Info tab, I can see all about Alan. And if I needed to change it again, I could just click that wrong person icon. Let's go ahead and link this up again with the wrong Alan Smith, because there's one more thing that I'd like to show you in the integration. We'll see right here this page that says the contacts wall unavailable. There's a few cases that could cause this to come up in your Facebook integration in your Opryus account. One is if that contact isn't your friend, and that's the case here for me. Is I am not friends with this Alan Smith here, so although I can see any basic information he's sharing in his info, in this case just his name and his photo, I can't actually see his wall. You might also have friends who you can't see their wall. It's possible that they have custom privacy settings, and that limits third-party applications from being able to interact and see their information on Facebook, or simply they have nothing on their wall. So that's a few cases if you can't see them there. The other thing that might happen when you're searching for your friends is that they don't come up in this search list. If they don't come up in your search list, again, it's probably because of their custom privacy settings. Of course, Facebook gives their users the ability to restrict who can see what information, and it's possible that they're restricting third-party applications from seeing their information. But in my case, I'm okay here. I'll just link this back up with the Alan Smith that I want, and I'm good to go with that. That covers the demonstration on how to use the Facebook integration in Oprius. If you have any questions, please feel free to email support@oprius.com or go to our Facebook page, which is www.facebook.com/Oprius. Be sure to like the page and post on our wall with any questions and let us know how you like the integration.